right? If only I could tie my mom to one of those. Oh. What? Be quiet, Mom. Yeah, go sit over there and cry. Let me enjoy these fireworks. Wow, so beautiful. If only my mom can die tonight, that would be so amazing. Wow. Oh. Wait for it, there's more. Wait for the spectacular. You see all that? What? Be quiet, Mom! I'm trying to enjoy the fucking fireworks. So beautiful. Wow. Ooh. Wait for it, there's gonna be even more. There it is. Here it comes. Boom, there it is again. If only I could fuck my girlfriend up through the fireworks. Shut up, Mom. Mom, be quiet! Wow. If only I could fuck Pee Pee Pig raw, that'd be nice. Wow. Wow, look at that! At least my mom went away.
Not supposed to be that much.
Wow. Isn't that insane? Shut up, Mom. Just be quiet. Fuck, I can't even enjoy anything to myself.
Quase foi liberado, também o convoque.